Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where learning English becomes natural, easy, and enjoyable.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us again today.
Today's episode is going to help you speak about one of the most important things in English.
The past.
Exactly. Memories, experiences, old habits, funny stories, vacations, childhood memories. All of these need the past tense.
And many learners understand English, but freeze when they try to talk about yesterday.
That's the problem. They know words, but they don't know how to build stories naturally.
So today we are going to fix that step by step with a long, relaxed conversation.
Listen carefully, because you'll hear real examples again and again.
And repetition is how fluency is built.
Daniel, let me ask you something simple first.
Okay.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was actually a very calm day. I woke up early, made some coffee, and went for a long walk in the park.
That already sounds peaceful.
It was. The weather was cool, the birds were singing, and there were not many people around.
Notice that, listeners. Daniel said was, were, and went. These are all past tense forms.
Exactly. And after my walk, I came home and cooked breakfast.
What did you make?
Eggs, toast, and tea. Very simple.
Honestly, simple breakfasts are usually the best.
I agree. Then I spent most of the afternoon working on my laptop.
Did you finish everything?
No, I didn't. That's the truth. I planned too much and wasted time watching videos online.
That happens to everyone.
What about you? What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I stayed home and cleaned my apartment.
Cleaning day.
Yes, and I hated every minute of it.
At least you were productive.
True. I cleaned the kitchen, washed the dishes, organized my books, and vacuumed the floor.
That sounds exhausting.
It really was. After that, I ordered food because I was too tired to cook.
See, that's real English. I was too tired to cook.
Short, simple, natural.
Let's explain something important for learners.
The difference between regular and irregular verbs?
Exactly.
Regular verbs are easy. Usually we just add ed.
Like cleaned, watched, played, worked.
But irregular verbs are different.
Go becomes went.
See becomes saw.
Eat becomes ate.
Have becomes had.
And honestly, this is where many learners struggle.
Because they try to memorize giant lists instead of hearing the verbs naturally in conversations.
Exactly. Language is repetition, not magic.
Daniel, tell me about your childhood.
Oh, wow. That's a big topic.
Good. Big topics create better conversations.
Well, when I was a child, I lived in a small town near the mountains.
That sounds beautiful.
It really was. Life felt slower back then.
What did you usually do as a kid?
I used to ride my bicycle everywhere.
Ah, used to. Very important phrase.
Yes, used to means something happened regularly in the past, but not anymore.
For example, I used to play football every weekend.
Or I used to wake up late during summer vacation.
Exactly.
I also used to climb trees with my friends.
Did you ever fall?
Unfortunately, yes.
I knew it.
One time I climbed too high, lost my balance, and fell into a bush.
Were you hurt?
A little bit. My arm hurt for 2 days.
That sounds painful.
It was, but honestly, I remember laughing more than crying.
Childhood is strange like that. Kids fall down and 5 minutes later they start running again.
Adults fall once and complain for 3 weeks.
That is completely true. I remember my first bicycle very clearly.
Really? What was it like?
It was bright red with a little basket in the front.
That sounds adorable.
I loved that bicycle so much. I rode it every evening after school.
Did you ride alone?
Sometimes, but usually my cousin came with me.
And where did you go?
Mostly around our neighborhood. Sometimes we bought ice cream from a small shop nearby.
Those simple memories become the strongest memories later in life.
Exactly. At the time, they feel ordinary. Years later, they become special.
Speaking of memories, do you remember your first job?
Oh, yes. I will never forget it.
Tell us.
I worked at a busy cafe when I was 19.
Was it stressful?
Extremely stressful.
What happened?
On my second day, I accidentally dropped coffee on a customer's table.
No.
Yes.
That's a nightmare.
It really was. I felt so embarrassed.
Did the customer get angry?
Surprisingly, no. He actually laughed and said, "Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes."
That's lucky.
Very lucky. If he had been rude, I probably would have cried.
First jobs are always chaotic.
What about your first job?
I worked in a bookstore.
Honestly, that sounds perfect for you.
It was actually very quiet and relaxing. I spent hours organizing books and talking to customers.
Did you enjoy it?
I did, but the salary was terrible.
Ah, yes. Reality always arrives eventually.
Let's talk about vacations now.
Good idea. Vacations create the best stories.
Where did you go on your last trip?
Last year, I traveled to Japan.
Wow, that's a dream destination for many people.
It was incredible. The cities were clean, the people were polite, and the food was amazing.
What was your favorite part?
Honestly, the quiet streets early in the morning.
Interesting answer.
Most tourists focus only on famous places, but sometimes the peaceful moments become the best memories.
That's true.
I also visited a small town near Mount Fuji.
Did you see the mountain clearly?
Yes, luckily the sky was clear that day.
That must have looked beautiful.
It really did. I took hundreds of photos.
And did you eat a lot of Japanese food?
Way too much. I ate ramen almost every day.
No regrets?
Absolutely none.
I went to Italy a few years ago.
Oh no, here comes the pizza conversation.
Listen, Italian pizza changed my life.
Dramatic as always.
I'm serious. I still think about it sometimes.
What else did you do there?
I visited Rome, Venice, and Florence.
Which city did you like most?
Venice. It felt unreal.
Because of the canals?
Exactly. No cars, just boats everywhere.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
It was. I walked for hours every night.
Sometimes travel teaches us more than school.
Definitely.
Let's talk about mistakes learners make with the past tense.
Very important section.
One huge mistake is this. I didn't went.
Yes, that is wrong.
After didn't, the verb goes back to normal.
So we say, I didn't go.
I didn't see.
I didn't eat.
Very simple rule.
Another mistake is overthinking grammar while speaking.
Exactly. Fluency dies when fear becomes stronger than communication.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
All the time.
The goal is communication, not perfection.
By the way, if you are enjoying this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Master English channel.
Like the video and support the channel.
And comment below. What is your favorite memory from the past?
We really want to read your stories. Sarah, tell me about a funny disaster from your past.
Oh, I have many.
Choose the worst one.
Okay, one time I tried cooking dinner for my entire family.
Dangerous already.
Everything started well. Until I forgot the food in the oven.
No.
Yes!
What happened?
Smoke everywhere. The kitchen smelled terrible.
Did the fire alarm go off?
Immediately. My family arrived, looked at the black food, and started laughing.
What did you do? We ordered pizza and pretended my dinner never existed.
Honestly, pizza saves many disasters.
That's true.
I also remember a terrible cooking experience.
Oh, good. Your turn.
I once tried making rice without water.
That's not cooking. That's chemistry failure.
I realized my mistake when smoke started coming out of the pot.
Incredible.
My friends still remind me about it.
Real friends never let embarrassing moments disappear.
Never. Before we finish, let's review quickly.
We use past tense for finished actions.
Regular verbs usually end in ed.
Irregular verbs change completely.
We use did for questions.
And didn't for negatives.
We use used to for old habits.
And storytelling becomes easier when you use words like first, then, suddenly, finally.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. We've talked about memories, vacations, childhood, disasters, and life experiences.
And hopefully now the past tense feels less scary.
Remember, fluency comes from practice, not from memorizing grammar rules all day.
Listen often, speak often, make mistakes, improve slowly.
That's how real progress happens.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Don't forget to subscribe to Master English channel, like this video, and share it with a friend learning English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing your English every day.